And finally, we saved the best for last. He is a member of the iconic P-pop group SB19, who released a solo EP which features the songs Room, Di Ko Masabi, and Anino. During the Wish Music Awards, he bagged not one, but three awards. Wish Ballad Song of the Year for Di Ko Masabi, Wisher's Choice, and Wish Breakthrough Artist of the Year. CTV Bab, 18, and Berries. Here is our quick chat with the phenomenal Style of SB19. Yes, we have finally went up and we made it. Here's Style of SB19.
Hi everyone, this is Stel.
So 2025 has been a great start for you guys so far. What do you think is the biggest achievement you have so far this year?
This year, starting this year, we are very happy to announce that finally we can do a lot of things. Kasi parang nasa amin na lahat ng mga bagay na magagamit namin, mga things na magagamit namin for something bigger this year. And marami pa kaming gagawin this year. Hindi ko pa siya pwedeng sabihin, but we're very excited to share it with everyone very, very soon.
Yes, we're looking forward to what is happening very soon. So, we saw your vacation photos in Instagram and
Yes.
with Seon. Is that,
Yeah.
So, how was it like reuniting with the Boost members?
Very happy. Kasi every year naman, we do that thing. Na lumalabas kami, nakikita-kita, we celebrate Christmas and New Year together. But this time, we level up and lumabas kami ng Manila. Pumunta kaming beach somewhere, doon kami nag-celebrate together. So parang yearly naman siya nangyayari and happy kami na kahit busy kami, nagkakaroon pa rin kami ng chance to meet and celebrate Christmas.
Yes, it's a good thing that you mentioned about your group. How was it like seeing them again?
Very happy. Kasi parang every time na nagkikita kami, we get updates kung ano nangyari sa buhay-buhay namin, parang gano'n. And nakakatuwa lang na lahat naman kami successful sa life namin and happy.
Any message to your 18 who voted for you? 2 awards.
Yes! 18, thank you so much for the love and support. Until now, di mga paniwala na nakapag-uwi tayo ng napakaraming awards dahil yun sa inyo. Kaya gagawin ko lahat para maging deserving sa award na to, and keep on supporting me, my brothers, and all the artists here in the Philippines. Thank you so much. Wish, thank you so much. I love you.
And we love you too, Stel.
Thank you so much.
Stel, everybody from SB19.
Thank you so much. Have a great night. Hi everyone, this is Stel, and there's more to see on CTV Philippines. Make sure to subscribe now and be updated.